Occasionally, you may run into an issue in WellSeeker that requires support from Innova in order to solve. If you are a field engineer, your first point of contact should be your coordinator. If they cannot help, they can escalate the issue to Innova Support. If a coordinator is not available, you can get in contact with Innova Support by sending an email to support@innova-drilling.com. In many cases, the problem is database or setup related, so when investigating support issues, we ask that you include the debugging file when reporting your issue. The debugging file is a zip file that contains a copy of your database, a copy of your setup file, and some additional system information. There are two ways of sending your debugging file. In the WellSeeker Pro Help menu, there is an option called Send Debugging Email. If Outlook is your main email client, this option will create an email with a debugging file attached. If that does not work for you, you can use the second option in the Help menu, Create Debugging File. This allows you to save the debugging file to your PC so that you can manually attach it to an email. Sending the debugging file with your initial report will greatly speed up the investigation of your issue. When reporting your issue, it's important to give as much information as possible, as this will allow the support team to fully investigate and provide a solution. For example, what well are you working in? What were you doing at the time of the problem? What windows, tables, or charts did you have open? Did you see any error messages? How long has the issue been happening for? Is it happening all the time or is it intermittent? And so on and so forth. The more information you can give, the better. Sometimes it is easier to relay the required information by recording a video rather than typing it out. WellSeeker Pro has a video recording feature that can be accessed by opening the Help menu and selecting Start Screen Capture. WellSeeker Pro will now be recording your screen, allowing you to demonstrate what is happening before, during, and after your issue. When your demonstration is complete, go back to the Help menu and select Stop Screen Capture to stop recording. You can then select Email Screen Capture, which will open a new email in Outlook with the clip attached. Alternatively, you can select Open Screen Capture File Location. This will open the folder where your screen capture is saved as screencapture.mp4. Please note that the screen capture does not record audio. You can only record one screen capture at a time, as starting a new one will overwrite the old one.